Just saw something on a TED Talk this morning. It's been around for a long time and it's got like 60 million views, so I figured I'd watch it. It was something fascinating. The guy was talking to entrepreneurs and salespeople, and he said about 7 times in this TED Talk that people don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. And I really reflected on that and I thought it was interesting. And I think that is true. I think there are lots of estate planners, there's lots of business law attorneys and asset protection attorneys out there that do what we do. But I think what makes us as successful as we have been and continue to be is why we do it. I wake up every day and love helping people and solving problems and educating. And I think when I have the ability to put all of those together and take someone's situation that's very complex, pull it apart into its simplest forms and say, here are your risks. Here is the liabilities that you have that you probably didn't even realize. Here's what's going to happen if you leave this current plan, if any, usually no plan, in place until you die. And here are the steps I would take if you were myself, my brother, my parents. And here's what I would do to fully protect you. I can protect you from losing your assets in a lawsuit. I can protect you from losing your assets if you get old and break a hip and end up in a $20,000 a month nursing home. I can protect your family, which is even more important than protecting you, from the cost of probate and the time and expense that is associated with getting your assets to your beneficiaries when you die. And I think it's the why I do it that seems to work more than the what I do. When I explain to them why I do it and why I love doing it and how it's going to change their life fundamentally, it seems that we have a very high close ratio when it comes to consultations. And that's one of the reasons I don't charge for consultations, is that I work with almost everybody who I meet with. And for that reason, I don't need to charge them time for their consultation, because there's a really strong percentage that they're going to work with me anyway. And I'd rather get them in the door with no consultation fee so they can hear what I have to say. And if I've done my job right, most likely I will be able to provide a value for them and their family. So it's not what you do, it's why you do it. And if you're an entrepreneur or a person in sales, go see that TED Talk. It's pretty cool. Have a great day.